I'm having a freak out, a legit freak out, because I have too much stuff. My closet is filled with crap that I hate, makeup that I don't even use anymore. We're getting rid of a bunch of shit. We're going minimalist, sort of. Closet number one, closet over here, and then we have all these drawers over here. It's also 10 a.m. I'm trying to get this done by 1-ish. We're gonna take a pee break. Kind of realized I gravitated to was things that were extremely comfortable and just made me feel confident and sexy. Things that kind of came in on my waist but were baggy around like my butt and hips because I got a booty. A lot of fashion designers don't honor the butt, so I have to wear baggier pants, and I kind of like it like that. It's 11 a.m. and we still have this pile to go through, this to go through, all of shoes, and then the closets in the bedroom. It's 12:30. We're not gonna be done by 1. It's just not happening.
Boo, you whore.
But I'll show you where we're at. These 2 bags are going directly to Goodwill. This bag is just like trash and recycling. Now we're getting into shoes. Conrad asked me to marry him in these shoes. Aww. We were in New York City. He somehow like lured me into Gramercy Park and proposed. I was wearing these shoes when all that happened. I can't get rid of those. I can't do that. I got married in these Manolos. Aww. Look at these extra pieces of art. Aww, I wore them once. I don't know if I should sell these or keep these shoes because it's just like, I mean, come on, look at them. They're just so fun. So shoes, I have an opinion on shoes. I might just want to keep 1 pair of heels or 2 pairs of heels. These are just basic nude heels, like you can't go wrong. But it's like, when the f am I actually even gonna wear these? You know, I'll wear these to like a wedding. They'll go with everything. I'm gonna keep these. So Manolos. What do I do? I think I'm gonna bring these into Cosign. Oh my God. These were badass. I remember when spikes were a thing. Oh my God. So extra. Look at them. Look at these guys. Now we gotta go to bags. I used to be quite the bag lady. So many bags.
When you're in your 20s, if you just took all the money that you spent on clothes and bags and shoes and you just like invested it, you would be so much more well off right now.
What the f was I doing? What was I thinking? This is oddly very satisfying. Woo! To all the times I got influenced to buy a stupid ass beauty product, that felt great. So this is what I'm left with. This is it. I've got my bras, just a few, some underwear and socks, workout tops, workout pants, dresses right here, color-coded everything right here. We're feeling very minimal. Feels great. I feel a little bit more free. So I lied. I lied about the 1 p.m. thing. We're going to Goodwill. I know you probably don't give a f at all. You're probably just like, cool talk, Juliana, like nobody cares. I think there's people out there that just have like the OCD that I do, where you just have to get that thing done. Maybe I'm having like a midlife crisis. That's totally okay for me to put my midlife crisis online for the world to see and enjoy with me. Yay! Maybe minimalism is just the new midlife crisis. I went to the mall the other day with my husband and there was like literally a line outside the Louis Vuitton store and the Fendi store. We're such status monkeys. Oh, look at me, I have this bag or this thing or whatever. And I was all about that in my 20s. Look at all the shit I'm dropping off at the consignment store. Thousands upon thousands of dollars worth of designer shoes and bags. None of that means anything. It doesn't bring me any joy. It just makes me feel stupid. We have arrived. Filled to the brim. Hi. Good, how are you? Is it all good to go? All good. Okay, thank you. You too, bye. Woo! We did it! It is 2:36 in the afternoon. This took me a good 4.5 hours to do. I give you thousands of dollars worth of stuff, and I get this piece of paper. And that's it. My closet is clean. I feel so much better. If you learned anything from this vlog, I hope it's to just clean out your shit. Give it to somebody who needs it. You will feel like a baddie. So it's like a week after and I'm sitting down to edit this thing and I forgot to film the outro because I don't know if full-blown minimalism is ever gonna be my thing. For example, I have a deep relationship with my air fryer. I really like that thing. It makes my life easier. Is it really necessary? No, I could just use my oven, but like, I like it, so it stays. It brought me to reflecting on why was I buying all these things in my 20s? And what I realized is that buying things is a shortcut to creating a sense of identity and a very shallow sense of self-worth. Retail therapy is awesome sometimes, but at the same time, I wish I kind of sat myself down and said, look, Juliana, what are you really buying here? I think I was trying to buy recognition, a sense of feeling important, or to fill some void in my life at the time to just belong. Hopefully this inspires you to buy less things you don't need or clean out your closet and donate things that you don't really get joy out of anymore. Let's bring it in. You got this, and I'll see you in the next video. Where's Mama? Where's Mama?